Hey guys, welcome back. We're talking about the Chat GPTs, its capabilities, and the uses of Chat GPTs, and we'll also be talking about the limitations of Chat GPTs. In the last video, we talked about what are the capabilities of Chat GPTs, as it can write codes, it can edit codes, it can fix the bugs, it can also answer the questions if you have. So here, in Salesforce environment, we're seeing some couple of examples, and I'm going to show you the demo how Chat GPT answers these questions. So first example, let me copy it. Let me copy the first example. I'm going to ChatGPT screen, and please identify and fix the error. I'm writing SQL to fetch all account records with rating hot from using following SQL. Select ID, name, rating from context. We know that this is wrong, and our expectation is it should be fixed by editing the SQL query. So this is our expectation, and what it does. Let's see. See, there are a couple of issues with the given query. The answer is the context object. Like, see, the query is trying to retrieve data from context object, but it should be retrieving data from account. Now, it has already fixed it. ID, name, rating from account, where rating was hot. So it is helping to fix the box as well. See? So let me give another example. Let me go back and copy it. Let's see how it creates the Lightning Web Components. Create a Lightning Web Component to fetch all the account records from home page upon clicking Get Accounts button. Hit Enter. See how it is giving the course. I'm giving this example from Salesforce because I'm also Salesforce senior developer and an architect, so I know the environment better. So if something goes wrong, then also I can understand like why it is wrong. I can correct those issues, and I can put the proper questions about the Salesforce also. See, these codes are perfect, and the course quality, that is also really great. So see, this is your template, which means the HTML file. This is your JavaScript file. You can also request for the .xml file. Please give me .xml file. I'm talking about the Lightning Web Components. This is one of the example of a .xml file. Well, it gave the different answer. I was not looking for this XML file. Let me ask them. Let me correct this and ask them again. For the above Lightning LWC. See, it's introducing the Lightning. It is introducing XML file for the Lightning Web Components. You can ask to complete the code. You can ask to solve the code. You can ask to explain the codes. You can do anything. So this is really, really powerful tool, and it is really good for developers and the people who are looking to do the best research in the tech industry. And it can be the best learning tools as well. For Salesforce developer, I definitely suggest try to use it and see what comes up. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.